My name is Dennis Gillette. I'm a physical therapist in Twin Falls, Idaho at Center for Physical Rehabilitation. I've known Bud for a very long time. We first met after his traumatic injury to his left leg. We were able to rehab him several different times after several different surgeries. When he came back to me as an amputee, it was a little disheartening to see that, but in the back of my mind I knew that his life was going to change for the better. He would have less pain, he's going to move better, he's going to function better, and his life's going to be better. When Bud started with his physical therapy, he was definitely afraid of his new prosthesis. He was afraid to walk at different speeds. He was afraid to walk on uneven ground. He was afraid to do stairs. So we've focused on gaining that trust with shifting his weight over to the left leg, balancing over on the left leg, challenging him with walking fast, walking slow, walking on uneven surfaces. And we noticed that he definitely needed some changes with his ankle and his microprocessing knee. We called Mike up at OrthoPro. They got him in the next week. They adjusted everything that we thought was going to make a difference, and it changed significantly for Bud as far as stability, as far as better balance. Michael put a lot more resistance on his microprocessing knee, so when he sat down he could feel the resistance, and now we're progressing to using that resistance when he walks downstairs. When Bud was starting to walk with his new prosthesis, back pain was an issue, so we had to address that with some exercises, laying down on his back, making sure that the curve in his low back wasn't excessive. After our first couple sessions with that, his back pain almost diminished to nothing. This allowed him to get out in the yard. The last time I saw him, he had trimmed 6 rose bushes. It's just awesome to hear the exciting things that his new prosthesis is doing for him and will continue to do, especially with the summer months coming up. We want to challenge him, but we also want him to experience day-to-day life, get out on his own, maybe push the limits on a few things here and there. So whatever he wants to try, we're not putting the brakes on. We're telling him to go full force ahead.